Hi, it's Jason here. Thanks for choosing us here on ARI. In this video, we're going to cover how to order parts through PartsTech. So when you're building an invoice or an estimate, we'll start with an estimate here. Click on Estimates. We're going to click on Add Estimate, and we're going to select a vehicle. So over here, I'm just going to grab a Mazda. And if we scroll down, over here, we can click on Order Parts, and we're going to go with PartsTech. And for this one here, what we're going to do is we're just going to get something simple like an engine oil filter. This is just for illustration purposes. So I click on engine oil filter. It's going to pull some prices from the resellers in our system. I'm just going to grab this one here where I click on add to cart. Okay. And then we're going to click the X button here. And then you have an important decision to make. Do you want to use the wholesale price as cost or use the list price as cost? I'll use wholesale price as cost. Click on that. Always remember to apply changes or else they won't take effect. So we're going to apply changes. And I'm going to add just some diagnostic for this just for the sake of conversation. Diagnostic. Apply changes. Then we're going to present it to the customer, see if they're going to approve. Actually, we don't have to do that. I can just simply, if the customer approves this, we can just click on place order, proceed anyway. It's going to take us back to PartsTech to complete the order itself. If you have to go back and make changes, click on the X, then hop back, just refresh. You can edit the session and add additional things. So let's just say we wanted to go a disc brake set. So that AutoZone can bring up. So we're going to grab this here. Click the X. We're going to use the wholesale price as cost. Always apply changes. And then you can run this by your customer. And if the customer approves, you can move up here and place the order. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please contact us at ARI. Thanks so much and take care. Bye for now.